Hi everybody, welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Today we are going to make Tapioca Masala. The ingredients are chopped tapioca 1 cup, chopped onion 1, chopped green chili 2 numbers, grated coconut 2 tablespoons, urad dal 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, 1 red chilli, curry leaves, salt, oil 1 tablespoon and some water. Now we have to cook the tapioca. Add some water. Salt and turmeric powder. Place the lid and cook. Cook it till it becomes soft. It has become soft. Put off the flame. Heat oil in a pan. And splatter mustard seeds. Now add urad dal. Red chilli, curry leaf, green chilli and onion. Saute well. Saute till the onion becomes light brown. The color has changed. Now add boiled tapioca. Mix well. Saute this for 2 minutes. It's time for us to add grated coconut. Mix well. It is ready now. Put off the flame. Tapioca masala is ready now. You can have this as tea time snack or breakfast. This will go nice with burnt red chilli and onion chutney. Try this and give us a feedback.